Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel 18-gauge quarter-inch narrow crown stapler, delivering unmatched stapling performance without the hassle of a compressor and hose. The new M18 Fuel narrow crown stapler leverages Milwaukee's nitrogen air spring mechanism to deliver the power to consistently sink staples into hard materials, and features a wide range of depth adjustment to prevent blow-through in softer materials. The combination of our POWERSTATE brushless motor and REDLINK Plus intelligence provides unmatched fire rate with zero ramp-up time, keeping you efficient throughout your day. The narrow crown stapler's compact size provides access to corners and tight spaces. The M18 Fuel 18-gauge quarter-inch narrow crown stapler delivers the pneumatic performance that professional carpenters and remodelers expect, with the freedom and convenience of cordless.